Hey guys, have you ever heard of the morning glory cloud? It's a super rare and breathtaking natural phenomenon that's definitely worth checking out.
Wow, that is so wild. Yeah.
These birds are moving together in perfect unison, almost as if they're dancing in the sky. It's truly mesmerizing to watch. It's a time-lapse video of a cloudburst. You can see the clouds building up and then suddenly, they burst and release all their rain. The waves in the ocean light up with a magical glow. This happens because of tiny creatures in the water called dinoflagellates that produce light through a chemical reaction. Have you heard of fire whirls? They're like tornadoes made of fire. Fire whirls happen when hot air rises quickly and meets cooler air, causing it to spin and form a vortex. It's a rare and dangerous phenomenon, but it's also pretty amazing to see. Have you ever seen lenticular clouds? They're like giant UFOs floating in the sky. Lenticular clouds are formed when moist air flows over mountains and creates a series of standing waves in the atmosphere. And that's all for today's dose of incredible wonders of our world. Keep an eye out for more fascinating phenomena and interesting tidbits, and we'll catch you next time.